Once she is on board the bus, Fiona's wheelchair is secured by 4 straps. And she wears a passenger safety belt. It's important that the driver follows the manufacturer's instructions when using this equipment. The lower belt goes across Fiona's lap below her hips. The upper belt runs diagonally across her body to the anchor point above the window. This is a significant improvement on lap and diagonal belts, where the diagonal belt runs over the passenger's shoulder down to a floor-mounted anchor point.